Hey guys, today we're taking a look at this Anykit AD430 articulating borescope. All right, let's take a look at what's included in the box. We have the user manual book, some camera lens wipes, and also the high-speed USB-C charging cord. And here's our endoscope. This is the AD430 model. It's got a really nice screen, is what I noticed first, and the controls are over here. We have the control at our fingertips, so you can just control this with one hand. The thumb controls the articulating tip, and with the index finger, you can press the camera button, which starts recording or shoots a picture. The handle is great size, and it's not too big or too small. It sits perfect in the hand. We've got a really nice 4.3-inch screen and rubber buttons for all the controls. This is very nice surface all around, very easy to clean. And this whole unit is IP67 waterproof rated. So that's awesome. You can just clean this, especially if you're working with your car or, doing some repairs at home. Definitely it might get dust on it or, spill some water. You can just wipe it clean and have it as good as new. The probe cable is very slim. It's not even a quarter inch in diameter. It's 4 feet long and it's pretty stiff for its thickness to be able to control it and push it into, for example, a wall cavity or inside of an engine or anywhere you're working. It's got a very good light, 3 brightness settings. Once again, the waterproof part of this whole endoscope makes it possible to just not worry about it getting, damaged by water or any fluids. You can just clean them off and continue your work. So that's not a problem for it. That's a huge help. That's definitely a very good feature on this unit. I like this display, and it is color. The articulating tip lets you view up to 220 degrees all around, which is huge help. The cable can be controlled manually by twisting it, but also you can press the button to flip it 180 degrees, which helps a lot. If you're, if it's upside down, you can just press the button and it flips. And also it zooms in 3 different settings for that. This endoscope comes with an 8 GB micro SD card already in the unit, so that gives you the opportunity to just turn on this unit and use it right out of the box. It will save pictures, it will save videos. This is definitely a great tool to have, very handy. It is budget friendly, honestly, out of the endoscopes that I've searched for. It shows me a great picture, records everything, and I love it very much. So definitely recommend it for mechanics, for HVAC guys, for handymen. This is a great unit. You will not regret it. This endoscope definitely saves time, so you can find the problem source and fix it, and it definitely eliminates guessing. So check it out.